Hello, welcome to my video project. Today we're going to be talking about hospitality management, theme parks, my journey here through Universal, and my time in the industry. To get started, I'm studying hospitality management. I really love this track and being able to really focus on people and focus on building teams that's something I really enjoy. That's why I love this industry so much. I've been in the industry for actually 5 years, first starting at Chick-fil-A Lake Buena Vista. I worked there for 2 years, ending up as a shift manager. I then transferred over to Universal, starting as a Halloween Horror Nights attendant, working my way up into attractions, where I then started at Flight of the Hippogriff for about 8 months, and then I put an interest to transfer here to River Adventure over in Islands of Adventure, and I've been here for another 1.5 years. It'll be 3 years here at Universal in August, and recently I accepted a position over at the Transformers ride. I'll be talking about that a little bit later in my project. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get this thing rolling. Here at Universal, I've had the amazing opportunities of guiding teams and building teams while working here as a trainer and TSAT representative. It has been great being able to build people and having them work and find their best passions and put them together as a team and really see them thrive. Working in this class has really been great at building the connections with those people and being able to see what they want and push them forward into developing further with themselves and developing their skills in order to make them better team members. While I've also been here, I've been able to create incentives and build teams up from the ground up and really see them thrive and break records here in the attractions department at Universal Orlando. With that being said, this class has really given me an opportunity to grow and build on myself as a leader and be able to reflect on the things that I need to work on, as well as building the skills that I need in order to develop here in my career field. Being able to do both the industry interview and my owner's manual, and having people give me that actual feedback live here at work is pretty great, as this is what these people do, and they're here to see me thrive and guide me and mentor me, which I've had a lot of great mentors here at the company, and it's been really great being able to do that for people and having them do that for me and giving me the criticism that I need in order to become a better leader at the end of the day. And I think this class has helped me be able to take that criticism and reflect on it very well. What to take from this class, I really think that I was really molded into becoming a better leader and a better speaker with my feelings and how I wanted to get things through to people, by also building my empathetic side more than it already had. And I think that'll make me a really great leader with my future here at Universal, as I'd really like to focus on my theme park industry, as I've been in it for 3 years now. And with that being said, as I mentioned prior, I am now accepting a position over at the Transformers 3D experience in Universal Studios Florida as a relief lead. So that's great. Thanks for everything in this class, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day today.